Hey everyone, my name is Abel. I'm one of the leasing specialists at Huntington Breakers, an Essex community located in Huntington Beach, California. Now, we offer self-guided tours and virtual tours also, but I was wondering if you'd like to join me on a really quick one-on-one showing of this lovely studio floor plan. And if so, come along. All right, so the first thing you're gonna notice when you walk into your new home is, boom, a nice big open floor plan. So this entire studio is 422 square feet. And you know, I actually just moved into an Essex community myself, a studio to be exact, studio as well. And the reason why I bring it up is because, boom, I have these exact same countertops, same stainless steel appliances, and they're amazing, they're great. Not only are these super clean, they're super durable, but they just look so good. There's also stainless steel appliances throughout the entire kitchen. So you have your dishwasher, your sink, your stove, your microwave, and also a GE refrigerator. Let me see if I can get a better shot of the entire kitchen. All right. Let's go through the living space. Okay. Now, one thing I will mention is that these bathrooms are also renovated as well. So they have the same nice countertops. So you're gonna expect the same durability with these, same cleanliness and good looks. And then a nice bathtub. Let's see if I can show you the entire thing. And in the studio, you're also gonna have a walk-in closet. Look at that. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our tour. If you have any additional questions or if you want to go over any other options that you'll have with us, what I'm going to do is leave our phone number to the office right below. That way you can give us a call and somebody from our team will be happy to meet you and help you out. Until then, from Huntington Breakers, have a good rest of your day. You take care.